I made almost like 200k in payouts in only 2 years. My journey is going very well, and I have like many 5-digit payouts with funding pips. Almost I have took 50k USD from Funder Pro. I am associated with mainly with Funder Pro. I am handling all the things for them from India. I will do a live withdrawal of my payout from Funder Pro. Maybe I will show you the mail.
All right, so we're just here at the Dubai Forex Expo. I'm here with Ronan Trades, and we're going to talk a little bit about his trading journey. Really successful prop firm trader. So thanks for being here with me, man.
My name is Raunit Sachdeva. I am a prop firm trader and I affiliate too. So I work with only two firms, Funder Pro and Funding Pips. I almost started my journey 2 years back. I failed many challenges and busted my real account also. I was in debt, investor debts also, like almost of 90k USD. But from that thing, I learned and I made almost like 200k in payouts in only 2 years, and my journey is going very well, and I have like many 5-digit payouts with funding pips, and like almost I have took for 50k USD from Funder Pro also. And for now I have made I will do a live withdrawal of my payout from Funder Pro. So like I am associated with mainly with Funder Pro. So I am handling all the things for them from India. That's it.
Yeah, nice. Wait, so let's go back here. You were in 90,000
Yeah.
debt before you found
Yes.
success trading.
So I will tell you one thing. Like I started my journey with prop firms, my forex fund. When I passed my account, my forex fund, it was like on Friday, and I got a news that it was vanished from the markets, or some case something happened in the US market with them on, and it was gone till Monday. So my journey started with this thing. After that, like I have traded with funding pips. I shifted to funding pips, passed some challenges,
Yeah.
and took some payouts. And after that, leverage this thing and go on with Funder Pro, also took payouts. So I made like almost 60-70k from that thing. I kept that from for the backup, and I took investors money for my trading for my real account for that 90k actually.
Okay.
So I made some amount from that 90k, but at the end I lost that 90k USD. Yes. So I have the buffer of 60k. From that thing I made I made all the money back.
Right.
So I work like with a structure, but I lost my money. So mainly I want to tell the community and traders that yes, we also lose in the trading. And it's my first time that I am telling my loss, that of that 90k USD loss. But previous month only I made 60k USD, and I have almost like I have one payout with Funder Pro right now, 2k USD if you can see, and I almost made like 5-digit payout with funding pips also.
So
Yes.
from like where you first came into trading to the point where you started to find more success, like how long was that period?
It was almost like my struggle journey was of 1 year, and 1.5 year and 1 year of journey to like override the things and doing good. That's the thing.
Yeah.
Like I'm good in networking. I met NBX also on Instagram only. So that's the thing. I'm like very good in networking thing.
Yeah, gotcha.
Yeah.
Maybe like that year and a half in where you started to find more success, was that always through prop firms, or did you ever use personal capital?
No, right now I'm not using any personal capital for that, because I can leverage more in prop firms rather than real accounts. Because on real accounts, like I have trading skills. I know how to pass prop firm challenges. I passed many challenges. So I can leverage those money good in prop firms rather than trading in real accounts.
Yeah.
I will explain you with the example. If you trade on real account, you will risk your whole capital for that thing. And if you will trade on prop firms, you will only risk that challenge fee, that $500 or something like that.
Yeah.
But on the real account you will risk whole amount. Like if you are trading with 10k and you open one lot, or also two lots also, you can lose it. Like it's very much big SL, but you can lose it.
Yeah.
So I think prop firms are better way to leverage these things.
Yeah, definitely.
If you are not you are not a good risk management, you don't know how to manage the risk, so you can go for first prop firms. After that you can shift to real accounts.
Yeah. And what do you think, like if there was advice you could give to newer traders, like how did you go from like struggling in those early days to actually finding success?
So I will explain you. First you should learn skills perfectly. After that you should have a money to invest in that thing. Like if you want to trade with prop firms, you almost have 5 to 10k accounts in your buffer. Maybe it's for 5k USD account, 10k USD account, or 100k USD account. It doesn't matter, but you you should have almost 5 to 10 accounts at your back.
Mhm.
That's the thing.
Okay.
So you can pass it. It's the prop firm is the game of win rate, not the risk reward. If you have a good win rate, you can pass prop firms more quickly. If you have more if your risk reward is good, but you can lose in the prop firm industry.
Yeah.
So for prop firms, win rate is important, and for real accounts, risk reward thing is important.
For sure.
Yes.
For sure. So you want to show us live? You
Yeah.
said you were going to take a payout
Yeah.
live here.
I will show you my payout so.
All right, let's do it.
I'm gonna request approx $1,800 from FunderPro 200K account. I put the request crypto, select currency USDC, request max, and if you can you have to click on the request. Yeah. You requested it. Yeah. You got a pop up. Yeah. Yeah. Show me the mail. And we will get this payout in 2 minutes. Okay. Proceed.
Awesome. There's a live payout request.
This is the only prop firm who gives you daily payouts and accordingly fast withdrawals also. No prop firm is there. Everybody started copying us. Like I am associated with FunderPro only. Like you can think I am handling everything for FunderPro from India.
Yeah.
Yeah, I am gonna get a position also. So like that thing.
Okay.
Maybe I will show you the mail.
Awesome, man. So again, successful prop firm trader, consistently pulling out tens of thousands per month. Is there any final bit of advice you'd give to newer traders in terms of successful prop trading?
You should always have a backup of 5 to 10 accounts, and you should risk more in evaluation and risk less in funded. And if you have a bi-weekly payout prop firm, you should not trade for the first week. You should trade for the last week because you will secure the payout and get fast. If you will make a payout in the first week, you can lose it in the second week. So you have to overcome this, and if you have to overcome this, you can go for the daily payouts prop firm, and for the bi-weekly thing, you follow this thing. That's my advice for the beginner traders.
Awesome, man. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.